Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi e-tron charger. Before you begin, always ensure your Audi e-tron is safely in park and completely turned off. It's also crucial to confirm that your vehicle's doors are unlocked, typically by pressing the unlock button on your key fob. This step is essential for the charging system to release the cable properly. Remember, never apply excessive force when disconnecting the charger, as this can cause damage to both the cable and the vehicle's charging port. Once your vehicle is ready, proceed to the charging port. Locate and press the release button situated on the top of the charging cable handle. While holding this button, gently pull the cable straight out from the vehicle's charging port. If the cable feels stuck, try pushing it firmly into the port for a moment to relieve any tension, then press the button and pull again. The system will relock the cable if it's not removed within about 30 seconds. In rare instances, the charging cable might not release through the standard method. If this occurs, you can use the manual emergency release. First, open your vehicle's hood. On the side corresponding to your charging port, you will find a small cover. Inside, locate a yellow loop or cable. Gently pull this yellow loop to manually disengage the cable's locking mechanism. Once released, you can then remove the charging cable from the port. After successfully removing your charger, proper storage is key for its longevity. Neatly coil the charging cable to avoid any kinks or damage to the internal wires. Many Audi e-tron models come with a custom-fit storage bag, often with net pockets for accessories like gloves. Place your coiled cable securely inside this bag, then store it in either the front or rear luggage compartment of your vehicle for safe and clean transport.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.